So I'm out here in the South Georgia backyard and I'm just taking a look around. Well, what is that? I don't know what that is. Oh my goodness. Can you see it over there? I think it's a Vevor Mini toolbox in the wild. Oh my gosh, let's see if we can get closer. Hey, what are you doing over there? Leave that thing alone. Just leave me alone, woman. That is. It's a Vevor toolbox in the wild. It's so small I almost missed it. Let's see if I can get a little closer. Oh gosh, that thing almost bit me. Well, it's turned to the side. I think it wants to be left alone. But I don't know. I think I can catch it. It's opened all its drawers at me. I think it's trying to tell me to stay away. But I'm gonna try to catch it anyway. Apparently, all you gotta do is stroke it on the top. It'll come right with you. Let's take it in the house. See if this little guy can tell us anything. Now that we've got it in the house, let's see what we can learn from it. Hello and welcome. I'm Cruz, and we're here to review the Vevor Mini Toolbox. This toolbox is comparable, I believe, to the Snap-on Mini. So today we're going to be just reviewing its fit and finish and maybe the size of its drawers. So each drawer is a metal on metal slide with a magnet in the back that captures it and doesn't allow it to open easily. Each drawer fits that way, and as you can see, it comes with a little 3M feet for the bottom. This is supposed to be like the large roller chest. And its fit and finish is pretty decent. It has almost a matte finish, but it's still kind of shiny. The rivets on the side kind of poke out a little bit, and the only problem I have with this finish is the edges are kind of sharp. The mat on the top looks like it's coming up on the edge already, and I just got it in yesterday. Now this box is considerably smaller than the US General box. I have the top box coming for this in a couple of days, but I wanted to get this out there for you. So its overall width is about 8.5. Its height, 7 3/4. Sorry, a little technical malfunction there. And its depth is 4 3/4. So the inside drawer width is approximately 6 5/8. Well, the opening depth is about 2 4/8. The bottom box does open a little deeper. So it's about 1.5 inches deep. As you can tell, the drawer itself is the same size as the top. It just has a larger piece of metal on the front. So overall, this is a nice little box if you have small things to put in it. But for me, I think it's just a little too small. So if you take a look here, X-Acto knife, and that's what it looks like in the box. The drawers do tilt forward when they're open. So this is my compass. It barely fits in the box. Actually, you can't fit it in there straight because the feet end up hitting the sides. So to give you a size comparison, that's actually a soda can, or Coke can, or pop can, depending on where you come from. I'm here at the edge of the patio, and this little guy, I'm going to set him free, and let's see if he'll run off. I think he feels safe now. I'll just let him be. Well, that was a good time reviewing that toolbox. Next time we'll have a few more adventures, eh?